This 2023 Newmar Mountain Aire 4551 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Beckford Decor, Sable Maple Hardwood, HG interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, air conditioning, slideout, leveling jacks, stove top burner, self-contained, external shower, TV antenna, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Mountain Aire 4551 is built on a Spartan K3 Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins X12 500 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.